Okay, so we're gonna do a super slow version of the Happy Farmer by Schumann, and then we're gonna do a fast version afterwards. Notice that the left hand has a melody, so the right hand is a little bit quieter. So get used to playing the right hand quieter. Slide down. Slide down. Oops. Now the melody goes in both hands. So you'll notice that there's some sections of this piece have melody in both hands. Now the left hand has melody. Sorry. Okay, so keep it going. I'm gonna play it faster this time. So notice throughout the entire piece, most of the time the left hand has a melody. Sometimes both hands have melody. Oops. Sorry. All right.